Hey, it's recording. Yeah, you look sexy. It says hey.
What?
Sexy. Here it is. Hey.
You're distracted. What are you doing? Oh.
What are your videos? Move your hand. Move her hand.
Ah!
She looks sexy. That's Oh, that don't look good. No. See how beautiful she is? You're not. You're sexy. Look at that booty. Wherever that booty's at. Is it on your booty? Yeah.
Yeah, that's my hair.
My mom won't let her cut it. Because we're going to get it professionally done. And
Wait, you know what?
oh, you can't read it now. We stole a microphone from Walmart. Like, I took it. Yeah, it's in the Hello Kitty thing. I took it out and I wrote on my hand. Oh! I didn't steal anything. A little crazy.
Oh.
See how pretty you look? I'm gonna get like 2,000 comments saying, oh, she's beautiful. We'll make another one in a second. Goodbye.